Okay guys, as promised, ito na yung continuation natin sa video natin about Buzzer, kung paano siya i-install and i-set up. And feel free to use our invitation code na nakikita natin sa screen. That's 5E6 376. Okay? And pwede nyo rin i-scan yung QR code na nakikita ninyo sa screen. Downloadable itong Buzzer Sports Community social media app through Google Play Store or pwede rin siya sa mga Apple users. Social media app for athletes and sports. Ayan, malinaw na malinaw. So, pwede rin tayong mag-earn through referral. Meron siyang corresponding reward na $0.30 per referral and corresponding yan sa 1 point. Share the right moments. Ayan guys, ito pa. Another earning mechanism nitong Buzzer. Earn $0.30 as well, okay, for every 1K views, okay? Regardless yan guys kung yung pinopost mo ay photo lang or video, okay? And for additional information guys sa videos, ang maximum length pala nito 1 minute and below lang. Pag lumagpas ka doon, di ka pwedeng mag-upload ng video. Na-try na natin yan. So, dito pa lang guys, makikita nyo na marami siyang use case. So, for me, kung magiging successful to, hindi siya basta-basta babagsak na cryptocurrency project. Okay? Kasi marami na tayong nakitang social media apps before na ang ganda-ganda ng hype sa umpisa pero in the long run medyo hindi rin siya naging sustainable. Kaya ako I'm hoping na talagang ma-execute talaga ng Buzzer team itong lahat ng use case na pine-present nila ngayon sa atin bago sila mag-launch sa mga centralized exchange next year. Okay? Sell Buzzer points just by using the app. Okay, so in the works pa to. Kapag na-activate na yung, kasi magkakaroon ng option para mag-create ng wallet dito sa Buzzer app, pero February 2026 pa siya next year, okay? So para lang nasiset yung expectation ninyo na hindi ito basta-basta overnight project, pero mas maigi na mauna na tayo dito, okay? And sa reviews pa lang guys, 526 reviews na nakikita natin, 4.7 yung feedback, which is a good indication na maganda talaga tong app na to, okay? And especially intertwined siya and related, kumbaga mix ng cryptocurrency and sports niche, okay? And yung sports kasi napakarami pang branches nito, maiintindihan nyo yan as we go along. So install lang natin yung app, pagkatapos mag-install, i-open nyo, ito yung landing page ng setup, okay? So earn, create, convert, the future of sports, Buzzer. First step dito guys, create an account. Make sure you put all the correct information. So, advisable to prepare yung nominated email address ninyo and yung password ninyo and yung gusto ninyong maging pangalan ng inyong Buzzer account, okay? Para pag sineset up nyo siya, dire-diretso na. So, pag na-enter nyo na yan, click nyo yung next. Hihingian kayo nito ng verification code na isi-send through your nominated email address. So nakikita ninyo sa video natin, na-receive ko sa email address ko, kinopy ko yung code, paste natin dito, and then next. Okay? Ito yung ibig ko sabihin kanina, talagang dedicated sa sports itong social media app na to. So, based sa research ko guys and about 48 hours using the Buzzer app, I would suggest na yung mga ipopost natin dito are related only to sports para when it comes to the algorithm nitong Buzzer, mas malaki yung potential natin para sa mga views. Okay, regardless yan kung photos or video yung i-upload ninyo. Okay, pero sa observation ko, kapag nag-scroll tayo and nag-review ng ibang mga reels and content from other users, marami rin ditong nagkalat na mga TikTok videos na non-related talaga sa sports. So, hindi naman siya pinagbabawal, so pwede siya, yes, pero ako lang sa sarili ko lang opinion based sa research ko, much better kung related sa sports, especially dito sa mga pinagpipilian na branches ng sports yung i-upload natin dito sa Buzzer, okay? So ang ginawa ko dito, pinilian ko siya, unang-una yung basketball, boxing, and then motorsports. Bakit? Syempre basketball, automatic yan kung sports. Lahat sa buong mundo mahilig mag-basketball. Hindi lang Pilipino, pati sa lahat ng lahat ng tao sa buong mundo wala yatang hindi marunong mag-basketball. Boxing, naisip ko talaga dito dahil Pilipino tayo, si Manny Pacquiao, okay? So madali lang mag-upload ng content kung sakasakali kasi si Manny Pacquiao eh. Tapos yung pangatlo, motorsport. Kung sakaling pwede yung affiliate marketing dito, pwede tayong magdagdag ng mga affiliate marketing products na related sa sports, na motorsports, okay? Yung mga motor, okay, para i-upload din dito. So, continue nyo lang yan kapag nakapili na kayo ng tatlong options. Or, baka pwede ring more than 3, pero ako tatlo lang talaga yung pinili ko. Anyway, kapag ka-clinic nyo yung next, yung susunod na page, kailangan yung mag-add ng name or username. Okay? So, again, pwede nyo i-follow yung account natin dito sa Buzzer. That's Bayanihan Sports. Ayan. And then, click nyo lang yung next, validating. And then, next page, select your gender, add your gender, and then your age. Ayan. Piliin nyo lang yan. And then, next. And then, add the profile. Ayan. So, next nyo lang yan. Ayan, sa referral code natin guys, to recap, pwede nyong i-gamitin yung ating referral code. That's 5E6-376, okay? And then next page will be privacy and policy. Spot check nyo lang siya guys, basahin nyo ng konti and then I accept. So makikita nyo dito, you've joined via invite and earned points. And then referral bonus earned, you will receive 1 point for joining via invite, okay? So, pagka ginamit nyo yung code natin guys, automatic magkakaroon rin kayo ng points after niyo ma-complete yung setup. So, click lang natin yung next and then kita nyo guys, ito yung view ng Buzzer social media app after niyo ma-install, okay? So, makikita nyo dito guys, pagkatapos ko siyang ma-setup, meron ditong claim 100 points. So, nag-spend lang ako ng 5 minutes dito sa app. Nakuha ko talaga yung 100 points na yan. And then yung referral through invite, may points din doon. And then meron ditong nakalagay na limited offer first 1 million users. So I'm not certain kung umabot ako dito kasi kapag tinignan ko yung account ko, nasa phase 2 ako nung Buzzer. So click nyo lang yung claim now. Pero kapag ka-click nyo yung claim now, makikita nyo dito wallet is required. Okay? Normal lang to guys kasi nga pag binasa nyo maigi, sa account ninyo yung Buzzer, next February 2026 pa makikreate yung wallet, okay? So, makikita nyo dito sa part na to, claim activated. You have successfully activated your reward. Stay in the app to complete the process. And then okay. Ayan. So, ayan, you have just earned 1 point by joining the referral. Ayan. So, makikita nyo sa taas yung claim in progress. Pagkatapos nyo i-set up yung account guys, huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-stay lang about 5 minutes para makuha nyo yung 100 points. Ayan, nakikita nyo sa screen, nakakuha nga tayo ng 100 points. And itong view na to guys, ito yung sinasabi kong timeline or roadmap nitong Buzzer project. Sa lower part, makikita ninyo, meron pa silang dedicated YouTube video. May sarili rin silang YouTube channel so that you can know more about Buzzer. So, pwede nyo yung i-check at your own pace, okay? On your free time. Disclaimer statement lang for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Maraming salamat.